Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Rick Hamilton with Valcom. Want to welcome everybody to InfoComm 25. Valcom hasn't done this show in a little while, but we're glad to be back. We're introducing a new product line here at this show called ezIP. And what the ezIP product line is a bridge between our traditional analog products to our IP products. So it's an expandable product line that allows a integrator, an end user, to get into a particular technology, IP, without having to go to the full expense of doing our traditional higher-end IP solutions. So it is designed as an intro-level product that you can get started into the IP world, but also blend in the analog world with this product line also. So feel free to give Valcom a call at 1-800-825-2661 or our website, which is valcom.com. Thank you very much.